Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, March 4th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day. And the Euro US dollar came in number one, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top-down analysis on the Euro dollar, make sure to check out the video I made this morning, linked at the end of this video over here. So we had another pretty good push up on pretty much all the dollar pairs. If this really is going to continue to trend, what's on the higher time frames, I definitely don't see any reason why it wouldn't. Then this move down right here is very likely to make a higher low, which is why I got my Fibonacci retracement out here, because if this does make a higher low, then most likely it's going to make some sort of a three-way pattern down to one of these Fibonacci levels, and that should give us another very nice opportunity to go long. Like I always say, I am definitely going to continue to look for longs until the higher time frames tell me otherwise. The trend is our friend, and if we continue to trade with the trend like we have been over the last few days, then we should be doing pretty good. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.